Ki khubor ka Batesi TV.
Ka umdi basnyam bat penjaslian. Rupa Premium Meghalaya.
Sophistication meets style. The stylish trendsetter Tata Curve SUV is in town. India's first coupe SUV is now in Shillong. Net Foodish. Ordar mapi, minwan ramangi hakerdob ying jongpi.
Dagajing temu ban pelai jagi pat ba basong di Madan harut surok nagajing ma bat kejing mensau ko office jong block development officer jong Sumanda C&Rd kla Pynshna no da kowe gejaka yak bertip kum Nengkra rural hat kuan ha is garo hill string Hashwa jong gani ki pat ba jong gani gishnong ki bran ha ka tha Nengkra awi ki jusong de jing de harut surong bat kani ga bu jing ma ka bakrau yaki namar gajing ya bon kali bat kham tam ki trok kit doyong Hello kani ko office jong block development officer jong Sumanda C&Rd daga jing baitingka ka National Bank for Agriculture and Rural Development bat ling baga jing treshis pasngi ya ka tip kum ga MGNREGA scheme kala bante ya kani ka rural hat ya kani ka Nengkra rural hat lapen tre daga Meghalaya State Rural Livelihood Society Nengkra awi bazar Sumanda C&Rd belong Haga jinglot ke baru arlang, haus nam araja arpau way, bagi senang ke biok jing mentoy, nak ni ke yogi dan kumbah nyoteli. Ya kini lalap ling baga jing alam Jakatran Directorate of Information and Public Relation, ya kilat patai kubor ling baga press store, syakat handri lum garo. Habakaran bak kilat patai kubor u enok armarak, uberi junior engineer, ulai tu bahaka ni ke dong kathan, giran shibun ke yo, kumta laju pinlong yo, ya kini ke Jakarta haga sengi ublay.
The project of the name is market set at Nengkra. This project actually constructed and in convergence mode during 2020 and 21, and the total contribution of this project is from MG Energies is 5,12,900 and material portion is 2,91,986. Altogether, total is 8,04,886 from MG Energies side, MG Energies portion, and number portion is 14,99,377.45 from number side. And this project is completed during 2021. Completed in 2021. Actually, before villagers during weekend, they sell all foods and vegetables. They sell roadside and because of this, they felt difficult during weekend. So they decided then they give proposal to the BDO. So BDO approved their application. I think their converts actually they contributed from NABARD is they contributed things like toilet and structure construction for we don't have market, any other market there. Main project is they sell during weekend. They sell vegetables brought from their village. Yeah. Vegetables like pumpkin and
Only vegetables.
Vegetables here. Only vegetables. Fruits is there. 6 or 7 villages there. They come here and sold there here.
It only comes only on Sunday.
Huh?
Sunday.
Sunday, yes. Only Sunday.
Other days.
Other than no, they don't have. Earlier they sales like I said before, they sell roadside nearby. It's very dangerous for the villagers for when vehicle is running over there roadside. It's not safe for them. So they now it's a very safest place for the villagers. I don't know, sir. Secretary will know better. Yeah, they're using registrations and some other purpose like meeting for job cut meeting. They use this. Men livelihood they sell vegetables and they got money from by selling vegetables. Because of the selling roadside, it's not safe for villagers. So and because of coal truck is running day and night, so it's not safe for them. So they decided to construct here. Weekend is William Nagar market is there at the same time.
Then another
Rongjeng is there. Dogu and Songsa.
Yeah, Nongwal also is nearby. So I think what their convenience is there. 12 na.
12.
Yeah.
12 one.
Almost.
12 one ma. 12. Till button.
May baca nama.
5 porma.
May baca.
Pas 5. Till 5 o'clock.
Till 6 in the evening.
50 per day. Collecting 50.
Collection is from the committee.
Committee. No, they have their own land. They cultivated their own land. They have their own land. Cultivated and bring their whatever they got. Total, I don't know exactly. 220 per month, so Mendes. My household, 220%. This bamboo is temporary for those who are not get space from here. So they build their own. I think maybe community they build for them for the temporary purpose, temporary for the time being. They have constructed.